Good morning. James chapter 2, verse 13 says, "But he shall have judgment without mercy, he that showeth no mercy to men. But mercy rejoices against judgment." It says somebody who doesn't show people mercy, who is not merciful towards other people, who doesn't think for people, who is judgmental, will also receive judgment when they do wrong without mercy. But those who are showing mercy to others, not looking at the gravity of the offense, but who shows mercy to others, the day that he finds himself as an offender, mercy will rejoice over judgment. What am I saying today? From today going forward, make sure that you show mercy. I'm not saying allow people to walk on your head, to walk all over you, but show people mercy. Draw the line, but be merciful. Do not persecute people. Do not judge people. Give people the benefit of the doubt and pray for them, because a day is coming. Remember, Satan will surely come to tempt you, will surely come to test you, will surely come to try and test you in any area. So when he comes and you find yourself very weak and he overcomes in that temptation and you fall for it, and maybe you become the offender or you sin against somebody, that somebody that day he will show you mercy instead of judgment. Why? Because in the spirit realm it is recorded that you show people mercy. Not that you are a fool, but you show people mercy over judgment. When people offend you, you forgive them, you give them benefit of the doubt that maybe they were having a bad day, or maybe no, let's just I won't allow it to bother me like that. The very same thing you are doing to people, it will happen to you. When you are having a bad day and you are on the side of an offender, you will receive mercy. So my prayer for you this morning is that you continue to walk with mercy. Show people mercy, show people mercy, show people mercy, and pray for people. Remove judgment out of your lips. Stop judging people, but show people mercy. A day is coming that you will also need mercy and you will receive it. Stay blessed.